Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. In this video, I will show you how I built my cabinet drawer. My cabinet drawer, the old one, is like this. The dimensions are from edge to edge here is 14 inch. The depth is 21 inch from here to here. And the height of the sides is 3 inch. Okay, so I went to Home Depot and I bought a piece of wood and I asked them to cut it. So they cut the thing to 21 inch by 14 inch, the bottom one. They also cut the side ones, and however some of the side ones they could not cut, so I had to cut myself. So I examined the old one, and I saw that this metal part is attached to the side. So I attached that one here. I got from another drawer, and I attached it to the bottom. The big piece I attached it with the screws, and the same orientation as it was in the old one. That means, see this groove here is this the one side with the edge is pointing up, so the same way. And then what I did, this part here, I just stood it and I attached it to the bottom part by screws. See this screw here? I made a pilot hole with a drill, and then I put a screw using this screwdriver, and so that it goes between this one goes into both the bottom one and the side one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's pretty strong. And then I took the side one, this side, and I attached to the bottom part the same way. See how I put screws 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the same way with this side. With this side, I put this side so that all these sides are standing on the bottom. They are standing on the bottom. So this has to be attached to the bottom. So basically, you just ask one person to hold it, and then you put a screw between the bottom and the side. See the screw with the drill, make a pilot hole, and then a screw. And then once this is done, then I remove this part here. This is faceplate. This faceplate I removed from the old one, and I attached it to the front of this here by I just attached it to this side, using these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 screws. So it's pretty solid. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, the question is, sometimes I have to cut the piece of wood. So what you do is, if you want to cut it, like suppose you want to cut a piece of wood, so you make a line. You make a line on the board, and then use this clamp here. See this clamp? See this clamp here? See this clamp? You attach it to your table like this. See, attach it to your table, and then you so basically it clamps it. And then this clamp here also this has to be clamped properly, and then you take your jigsaw. See the jigsaw with a blade for wood, and you come here, you plug it in, and then make sure that the saw is aligned with your line, and then you keep on pressing it, and then you keep on pressing it along the line, cut along the line from the beginning to the end. So this jigsaw is very helpful. Sometimes I also had to cut the wood with the hand because the jigsaw was too fast. It was shaking. My piece was shaking when I was cutting it. So you what you do is that I have a vise. So you attach your wood. First of all, you draw a line where you want to cut. Attach your wood to the vise, and then take a handsaw with the wood, with the blade for the wood, and then you cut it. So this is how you cut with a handsaw. And now I'll show you how this piece here, this drawer, is ready to be used. So I insert it into this, and it goes. See, it fits perfectly. The look is same as before. The look is important, and it fits. See, the drawer works good. So I have a new drawer. The wife likes it. That's the most important thing. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.